Hi guys, I have two suggestions to dramatically improve Affinity Photo. One of it is if you do a retouch like this, you normally work like so that you switch on, switch off the layer to see how your work turns out. And I tried to set a keyboard shortcut for this and realized that this is not a flip-flop function. No, it's two separate commands. It's hide and show. You find this up here in layer. Hide the layer. Okay, it's already hidden. And show the layer. But you cannot flip-flop it. So I have to put here another keyboard shortcut as here. And if you compare to Photoshop, there it is, layer, hide layers, the command affects all selected layers, and layer, and show layers. And do you see this? It's always command comma. And this is a flip-flop function. So if I'm working on a retouch or an edit for replacement like that, I have the pen on my tablet and do not always want to move the pen here, just find the checkbox. What's here quite a problem, you know, I cannot set the flip-flop command, and but must here exactly hit the checkbox, what is quite annoying thing with if you have the pen of the tablet in your hands. And I can not flip-flop this here with command comma. Please add this command comma to make this more workflow compatible with guys like me who are very used to Photoshop. Then the next thing what I'm really hardly missing, because I only can paint in this direction. I can not make a line like so, or like so, or like so, or whatever. This is my natural movement. And if I just imagine I have to work on this part of the mudguard, I press R, I just turn this around like that. Then I press B with my brush, just let's make a layer, just for demonstration purposes, and can work here like so. If I try to do the same thing, by the way, with escape, I'm just right back to the default position. If I try to do the same thing like so, this does definitely not work to me. So R, turn it, B for brush, and I can paint exactly how I want it to. It's just for demonstration purposes. This layer goes to trash now. I press escape, back to the horizontal image. So this, please, 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 guys at Serif, these two functions add to Affinity Photo, command comma for on off of the selected layers, one or multiple layers selected, and the R, and rotate the canvas. And this is, you know, this is exactly the same like I do it with the pen on the tablet. It's so fast and so convenient. And I even do not know the commands in Affinity Photo, with something with, you break your fingers. And that would be really, really great enhancement to work more often with Affinity Photo, because it's nice, fast program. I love it. I like it. But things like that always makes me go back to use Photoshop. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for adding this and have a nice evening. Bye bye.